So it's a warmer day today, around 50s, and this will be a chance for me to replace the broken sway bar link bushings on my 2007 Mercedes GL450. So basically, you need 4 of this, and this one is I just bought this from Amazon. The reason is on Rock Auto and FCP Euro, they're quite expensive, and this one is on Amazon it's like $20 for all of them for 4. And basically this is just like an easy replacement. It's not that difficult. So I'm gonna try this. If not, then I'm probably gonna buy stuff from FCP Euro and not from Amazon. But we'll see, because the symptoms for this is that when you like go over bumps, and also when you like steer, it will actually like creak, like there's like a creaking sound. So it means that these rubber bushings are like all shit. I tried putting lithium grease and it's still there. So it's really I'm actually testing my new rigid mid torque impact. So this is an 18 mm. It's loosening it flawlessly. No effort at all. Yep, so the bushings are not in good condition at all. They're broken in half. Same thing with this one. This one is actually the worst. Yep. Yep. Yeah, this one has like sides that were like compressed a lot. Yep. So I think this is probably a 12. No, it's 13. Try loosening this one. So I took out this bushing here, and yep, they're in bad shape. Just 13 mm bolts that holds it. I just put in this side, and I'm like hand tightening them. Yep, it's just an easy install. Same thing on this side. I just position it and put this half over here. Yep. It just aligns, and then you put it over here. And put the two 18 mm bolts here. Yep. Tightening this side. Yeah, just untighten it first. Now putting in the 13 mm bolts. So all tightened. This is how it looks like. Yep. It's very tight now.